Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 10th. Here Act 4, Scene 1, line number 225. I am going to start. Portia says, it must not be. There is no power in Venice can alter a decree established. Portia says, it is not possible. It is not possible. There is no power in Venice that can change the working of an established law, consisting law. It cannot be changed. No power in Venice that can change the working, alter of an established law, decree established. It will be recorded for a precedent, and many an error by the same example will rush into the state. It cannot be. She says it would be regarded as a precedent in future, due to which many errors might creep in governing the state. So it will not be possible. It cannot be. Shylock says, a Daniel come to judgment. Yea, a Daniel, O wise young judge, how I do honor thee. Shylock says, O Daniel, Daniel, you must know, a great Jewish character of the Old Testament in the Bible, who was known for his wisdom and judgment. Daniel. So he says, Oh Daniel, come to judgment. Look, a second Daniel has come to give the judgment. Yes, a second Daniel. Oh wise young judge, how much I respect you. How much I respect you. He becomes happy. Portia says, I pray you, let me look upon the bond. Kindly let me see the bond. Kindly let me see the bond. Shylock said, here it is, most reverend doctor. Here it is. Here it is, most respected doctor. Here it is, you see. Shylock says, there's thrice thy money offered thee. Portia says, Shylock, here is thrice, three times, thrice the due amount offered to you. Three times amount is offered to you. Why don't you take? Shylock says, an oath, I have an oath in heaven. Shall I lay perjury upon my soul? No, not for Venice. I have taken an oath before God. Shall I commit the sin of oath breaking on my soul? No, not even for the sake of Venice. Portia says, why? This bond is forfeit, and lawfully by this the Jew may claim a pound of flesh to be by him cut off nearest the merchant's heart. Well, Portia says, well, the penalty mentioned in the bond is due, and the Jew can claim legally a pound of flesh to be cut off closest the merchant's heart. Be merciful, take thrice the money, bid me tear the bond. But be merciful, show your kindness, take three times the amount, and let me tear up this bond. Shylock says, when it is paid according to the tenor, it doth appear you are a worthy judge. Only after it is paid according to the terms of the bond, only after it is paid according to the terms of bond. You seem to be an impartial judge. You seem to be an impartial judge, knowing the law and applying it effectively. You know the law. Your exposition has been most sound. I charge you by the law, whereof you are a well-deserving pillar. I request you, in the scene of the legal system of which you are a worthy member, proceed to pass the judgment. Proceed to pass the judgment. By my soul I swear, there is no power in the tongue of man to alter me. I stay here on my bond. I swear by my soul that nothing that man can say will change my mind. I insist on having the strict terms of the bond. I insist on having the strict terms of the bond. Antonio says, most heartily I do beseech the court to give the judgment. Antonio surrenders here. He says, I wholeheartedly request the court to give its judgment. Portia says, why then? Thus it is, you must prepare your bosom for his knife. Well, then, be it so. You must prepare your bosom, your chest, to be cut off by his knife. Shylock says, O noble judge, O excellent young man. Portia says, for the intent and purpose of the law hath full relation to the penalty which here appeareth due upon the bond. The meaning and scope of the law fully applies to such a penalty as it is incurred by this agreement. Shylock says, it is very true, O wise and upright judge, how much more elder art thou than thy looks. That is true, O wise and honest judge. You are much wiser than one would expect from your youth. Portia says, therefore lay bare your bosom. Bare your bosom. Antonio, uncover your bosom. Shylock says, his breast. So says the bond, doth it not, noble judge, nearest his heart. Those are the very words. Yes, yes, his chest. That is what the bond says. It is not, noble judge. It is not, noble judge. Nearest the heart. It is written. It is incurred in the bond. Are the exact words. Portia says, it is so. Are there balance here to weigh the flesh? It is so. Is there a weighing machine here to weigh the flesh? Shylock says, I have them ready. I have them ready. The weighing machine is ready. Portia says, have by some surgeon Shylock on your charge to stop his wounds lest he do bleed to death. Arrange, Portia says to Shylock, arrange a doctor to be present here at your own expense. Shylock, to stop his wounds. Shylock, arrange for a doctor to be present here at your own expense to stop his wounds from bleeding, lest otherwise he should bleed to death. Shylock says, is it so nominated in the bond? Is it laid down in the bond that I must do so? Portia says, it is not so expressed, but what of that? So what? It were good you to do so much for charity. No, it is not laid down, it is not written in the bond. So, but what about that? It is good that you should do so out of kindness, out of charity. Shylock says, I cannot find it. It is not in the bond. I cannot find it. I am not going to arrange a surgeon, as it is not written in the bond. I can find no such condition in the bond. Portia says, come, merchant, have you anything to say? Portia says, have you anything to say, Antonio? Antonio says, what Antonio says, you will study in my next video. Thank you so much.